Good morning. Today I'm going to make spicy 3-corn Mexican cornbread. This is going to be really good. Let me show you how I'm going to make it. Here's the ingredients. We're going to have andouille sausage, some sour cream, an egg. These are the 3 different corns that we're going to use. We're going to use Jiffy cornbread mix. This gives you the cornmeal. We're going to use a can of creamed corn, which you usually don't find in cornbread, and also some whole kernel corn. Also, I'm going to mix into that a poblano pepper for a little bit of spice. Alright, what I'm going to do right now is take 2 of the sausages. We want to put 2 of the lengths of sausage in. So I'm just going to take these, cut them up into little small bits, and I'm going to cut up the pepper. I'll be right back and I'll show you how to put it together. Alright, here's the 2 andouille sausages. I'm just going to cut the ends off because they're not very pleasant to eat. But these are nice sausages that are made with Cajun spices, pork. So we're going to make slices and then cut the slices into tidbits. Alright, this is the size that I'm going to use, little bits, halves, quarters, something that you can get a couple pieces in every bite of your cornbread. This is fully cooked sausage, so we just need to warm it up in the mix. Alright, put that in the bowl. Then we're going to take the pepper. The poblano pepper, I want to use some of the heat of the pepper, but I don't want to use all the seeds because I don't want it to get too hot to eat. Most of the seeds come out in the stem, and the rest we're just going to cut this up into the same kind of tidbits as well. You don't want too much in each bite. Something like this. Alright, here's the pile of peppers chopped up. We're going to put that right in here with the sausage. Now, let's assemble this real quick. I'm going to take an egg, crack an egg, and take a can of creamed corn. Take a can of whole corn. This I already drained, so it's just the kernels. I measured a cup of sour cream. You can see there's not a lot of liquid on here, it's just creamy ingredients, and that's what's going to keep it nice and moist. Alright. Now I have cornbread mix. This is a small box. This is 8 ounces. I'm going to pour that in, all the cornmeal. And this has a couple other ingredients in it as well. Alright, now we just want to mix all this together. It doesn't have to be completely lump-free. We just want to have the ingredients well mixed. Alright, take a look at that. That's how we want it to look when we pour it into the pan. Okay. Now, that one's pretty. Alright, I'm going to take the mixture and put half of it into a pan. Now you can use a cake pan, you can use muffin pans, whatever you like. You can use a nice cast iron pan. You would look for like a 10-inch size. But I'm putting half in here, spreading it out to the edges, and then I'm going to take the cheddar cheese. Now we need about a cup of cheddar cheese. What I'm going to do is just sprinkle a handful in here until the whole thing is covered. Just want to spread it out So everybody get some cheese. I always like cheese in my cornbread, but this one is a little bit different, this recipe. Alright, then we're going to put the rest of the mixture right on top. And we got to carefully spread that out. Now let's make sure that all the cheese gets covered, because we want that to be baked inside. I think you're really going to like this recipe. Alright, I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees and I'm going to bake it for an hour. Keep an eye on it near the end. You just want it to be nice and golden brown. You don't want to get too dark or it'll start to dry out. Then we'll get it out and we'll take a taste with some butter. Alright, here it comes out of the oven. Look at that. Wow, it smells so good. I don't know if it's too hot to taste yet, but let's take a look. It's nice. What you want to have it is a little springy. See when I press on it and it springs back? But you don't want to get too brown because that will give you a dried out piece of cornbread. So I'm just going to loosen the sides a little bit here. This pan does a wonderful job of keeping things non-stick. So you can see how it's lifting right up. And I'm just going to let it cool for a few minutes before we get it out to taste it. Yummy. Alright, I'm going to shake it around a little. See how loose it is there? Alright, let's try it. Alright. Now I'm going to call Rick over here and we'll have a taste of this.
Me?
Yeah, you. Come on.
So,
it's going to be good. It's going to be good.
Don't I get my own?
You'll get your own.
Are you in the camera? Time to eat.
Have a seat.
It's so hot. Why? Oh, butter. What's the butter for?
Yeah, you gotta put some butter on this. I have some extra crust. I know you're gonna like that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Crust of wool. Hot. Smells like corn. I like creamed corn.
Yeah, it's hot.
There's meat in there, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a fork.
Should I put butter on it? Hi, I'm me.
You know, Rick.
I'm the taste tester. They know me?
They know you. You
What
watch
is
Rick's videos,
it?
right? I'll put a link to his channel there. I'm sure that a lot of you have seen his videos.
Maybe not.
Okay, so how's it taste?
Good.
Wow.
I like the corn. Creamed corn. A little spicy. You
It
could
is.
put less peppers or no peppers at all if you want, huh?
Now, I'm a little surprised at how soft it is. It is a little soft.
Well,
I mean, we're eating with a fork. We normally pick up a piece of cornbread and eat it like a roll. But this is a really nice texture and flavor. So I would serve it more like a side dish, though.
there's got some crust there.
There's crust. We probably could bake it
That's
longer,
good.
too.
What is this now? 3-bean chili?
No. It's 3 corn. Spicy 3 corn. Cornbread. It's a
Corn
Mexican recipe that I wanted to try. Okay, well, we're going to enjoy this and eat it a little more slowly because it's really hot. But I hope you like this video. Try the recipe. If you like it to be more like like a roll bread, then just bake it a little bit longer. I think would do the trick. But hey, where you go?
It's melting.
But we're gonna eat this for a little brunch, right?
Yeah, it's snowing out too. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
So it's a nice warming meal, especially with the spices. Thanks for watching the video.
Well,
So-
then pausing.
Check out Rick's videos too. You'll enjoy them today. Nice snowy day. Thanks for watching.
See ya.